Welcome to this comprehensive guide on best practices for Etoro crypto, where we will walk you through the key concepts and practical examples to help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading on Etoro. First, it is essential to understand the platform and its features. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to buy, sell, and trade various financial assets, including cryptocurrencies. To get started, you need to create an account, verify your identity, and deposit funds. Once you have set up your account, it is crucial to understand the different types of orders you can place on Etoro. These include market orders, limit orders, and stop-loss orders. A market order allows you to buy or sell an asset at the current market price, while a limit order enables you to set a specific price at which you want to buy or sell. A stop-loss order helps you limit potential losses by automatically selling an asset when it reaches a certain price. Another critical aspect of trading on Etoro is risk management. This involves setting a budget, diversifying your portfolio, and using leverage wisely. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, but it can also increase your potential losses. It is recommended to use leverage with caution and only when you have a solid understanding of the markets. Etoro also offers a feature called Copy Trader, which allows you to copy the trades of experienced investors. This can be a useful tool for beginners, but it is essential to do your research and choose traders with a proven track record. In addition to these features, Etoro provides a range of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. It is crucial to stay informed about market trends and news to make informed trading decisions. To summarize, the best practices for Etoro crypto include understanding the platform and its features, using risk management techniques, and staying informed about market trends. By following these guidelines and being cautious with your trades, you can maximize your potential for success on Etoro. Remember to always prioritize risk management and never invest more than you can afford to lose.